The book of First Chronicles serves as a historical record that traces the genealogy of the Israelite people from Adam to King David. It also focuses on David's reign and the preparations for building the temple in Jerusalem. Genealogies. The book begins with a series of genealogies, which trace the descendants of Adam, the patriarchs, the tribes of Israel, and the family of David. It emphasizes the importance of preserving the genealogical records, which were crucial for establishing one's lineage and inheritance rights. David's ascension to the throne. Much of First Chronicles is devoted to recounting the rise of King David to the throne of Israel. It highlights his anointing by the prophet Samuel, his victory over Goliath, his time as a fugitive from King Saul, and his eventual reign as king over all of Israel. David's military campaigns. The book describes David's military campaigns, victories, and expansion of Israel's territory. It also mentions his capture of Jerusalem, which becomes the capital of the United Kingdom of Israel and Judah. The Ark of the Covenant. One of the central events in First Chronicles is the retrieval of the Ark of the Covenant from the house of Abinadab and its transfer to Jerusalem. David organizes a grand procession to bring the Ark to the city, accompanied by music and worship. David's preparation for the temple. While David desires to build a permanent house, temple, for God, he is not allowed to do so because of his military activities and God's directive. Nevertheless, he makes extensive preparations for the temple, collecting materials and organizing the Levites for service. David's Song of Praise. The book includes a song of praise composed by David, often referred to as the Prayer of David or David's Psalm of Thanksgiving. This song reflects on God's faithfulness and the covenant with David. Solomon's anointing as king. Towards the end of First Chronicles, David anoints his son Solomon as the next king of Israel and provides him with instructions for building the temple. The transition of power to Solomon is made orderly and secure. First Chronicles emphasizes the importance of preserving Israel's historical and genealogical records and highlights King David's role in unifying the nation and laying the groundwork for the construction of the temple. The book's genealogical lists underscore the continuity of God's covenant with Israel and the importance of maintaining a connection to their heritage. It is a book that reinforces themes of worship, obedience, and faithfulness to God's promises.